everyone, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to share 4 DIYs and DIY ideas. First 2 will be accessories. Wow, very fancy. So those are the accessories to match bridal Lolita dress. I kind of feel this one, it's a little bit too short. Do you think it is too short? Compare those two, I like this one more. I could make those 2 accessories detachable so I can change the color of the bow. This one looking really good. I really love it. Like that, this one will match my purple bridal Lolita dress. I will show you guys the transformation video next week. No, I cannot feel this one. It's not long enough. What do you think? Should I remake? Another 2 DIY is I updated 2 of my old dress. After I updated those dresses, I want to wear it again. So this is the one and another one. I'm wearing it right now. Let's make the Lolita hat first. All you need, those are all the materials. First thing is to glue the lace trim on the hat. Next, you will make ruffles. You need gather the thread and to make ruffles, and then you just glue the lace trim around the hat. I don't think you can sew it. The hat is pretty hard. Then I'll put the ribbon through the lace trim. It's very easy to make it. You just need to get all the material, and then I will make veil. I'm using a wider lace trim, and I just use the same way to gather it, and I'll sew it on. And then I'll just glue all those fake flowers around the hat. I use purple flowers because it matches one of the dress I transformed. So next, I will make the bow. I'll put 2 ribbons together just because I think it's very pretty. The size, it's depends on you. Make it bigger or could make it small. I like to make the ribbon longer, the same way like before. I believe a lot of you already know how to make a bow. And then I will sew the bow in the front, and I will put flowers on it. And next, just use the same method, and it's similar styles, but this one is a lot of shorter than the first one. I kind of prefer the longer ones. I added more ribbons. This way it looks a little bit fancier. I also put pearls because it matches one of the dress I transformed. So I'm out of the pendant. I would put a pendant in the center of the bow. So the next DIY, I sew the lace up ribbon style on a pleated skirt. The length of the ribbon is about 120 centimeter. You could make it longer if you prefer. So in this video, my husband liked this DIY the most. He really liked this DIY. So the next one, I just decorated this skirt prettier. This is the old dress I have, and I'm kind of tired of the style, so I just want to change the style. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will show you guys the dress transformation video as soon as I can, and I will wear those accessories to match the dress. I also made matching shoes to go with the dress and accessories. Can't wait to show you guys.